Welcome to SmartHeloID application. It is a simple-to-use application with colored design and clean interface, the most innovative and unique app in the world of preventative health measures. After you log in the SmartHeloID app, you can see all the sections where you can keep track of your life quality 24/7. Just connect your Helo wristband and tap on the service you need and start your day. Using SmartHeloID app, you can daily collect your vital data and share them with your doctor or with the first responder. Just scanning the QR code, you can have all the data at hand, including the one collected by Helo in the last month. In this way, it will be easier for an emergency intervention thanks to the completeness of the medical information given. Anywhere in the world you are, you can share all your data in the local language because it's translated in real time. What better way to feel protected? Furthermore, with SmartHeloID app, you can control your physical activity and your nutrition to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Medical specialists will provide support at our operations center, enabling an ongoing monitoring and expert advice on request. SmartHeloID, health in unity.